Episode 63. In today's episode, we will be introducing a name for the complex design of planet Earth. Cryptography. Planet Earth uses an image technology that can only be explained through cryptography. So, it is only fitting we named this complex design called Earth. Cryptography. We have decided to confront the science community and the legal community to go on the record as the greatest discovery in the history of planet Earth. Me and my team has actually figured out this complex design, the planet we all were born inside. This great feat took many decades, hundreds of experiments, trial and error, over and over again. Most of the time was spent in the field, conducting observations. To conduct a proper investigation inside planet Earth, you will have to pick one thing at a time in the natural design of everything, then spend at least a year on that particular investigation. We as a nation has overlooked the obvious. Planet Earth from one end to the other is information, or as the science community may say, data. We began our investigation before the computers became public. We actually used geographic magazines. We began a study to compare what was in photographs against the planet itself. Geographic magazines, well, at the time seemed to be a good start. When one makes a new discovery, it is made by providing observational evidence and to develop an initial understanding of said discovery within the field of particle physics, a sigma level of certainty. In this short brief, we have provided 14 examples of what is actually occurring inside planet Earth. Planet Earth uses colors, then injects the information inside the colors using thin black lines. The thin black lines is what separates all the many different shades of colors. Planet Earth stores information. The planet creates images of people, like billions. Then the planet will attach all the images of people together, with no empty space. Everything is continuous. This is why the data was always here, but overlooked. Planet Earth stores the information dimensionally. It is actually images of people like you and me, sewn into the actual design of the planet. This is why planet Earth uses many different shades of colors. The colors separate the images of people. Planet Earth uses an image technology in which the human mind is not familiar with. The planet creates information, so if you invert it, it will still be information, but different. The design of planet Earth is made up of trillions of numbers and letters. Then it creates images of people by using numbers and letters. The only way you can have images of people sewn into a planet's design. The planet will have to be a highly advanced technology. When a planet is a perfect design and created, the science community will have to study the planet as if it was built. This is where we made our first mistake. Me and my team are claiming the right to give the design of planet Earth a name. And that name is called cryptography. A planet that was built. A perfect design. Everything you see inside planet Earth is dimensional knowledge. We do not have the time to write down how the design of Earth creates all the information at this time. So I will just throw this one thing at you. The trees inside your planet are dimensional knowledge. First, you have to know how to observe the trees. Since this was never taught. Well, this is why you do not know. Everything is opposite of what you think. The science community will have to erase everything they think they know and start over. We are claiming the right to give the actual design of planet Earth a name. Cryptography. Information hiding in plain sight. Last, we have provided 14 examples in this short brief. We actually have 30,000. Last, I will say, the planet uses a type of image technology in which it is designed to confuse the human mind. It works like this. The planet will create images of people, then sew the images into a tree trunk. This is why you have colors on the tree trunk. Now you can extract this data. Then, any way you rotate this data, it will be different data. But it will be data. Just the floor of planet Earth conceals enough data into it. Well, you would need a thumb drive as large as the moon. Just to download it, the information humanity is looking for is sewn into the floor of the planet, dimensionally on angles. To extract the data, you are going to need advanced dimensional image technology. You see, the floor of the planet stores the information dimensionally. Data behind data behind data. We began a forensic investigation into the design of planet Earth many decades ago, since we have actually figured out the design of the planet. Then decided to give the design a name. Officially in this year 2024, we have decided to end our investigation. We will now focus our attention on other discoveries. The science community will have a difficult time trying to figure out the actual design of everything. The problem is they are born inside what they are trying to figure out. They are inside what they seek.